What are you doing? Huh? Here's Skylar. She's almost 11 weeks old. What are you going to do today?
We do have an accident right here, and this is causing some slowdowns right at the toll plaza. The center lane is shut down, so stay to your right or to your left. Calvin.
All right, 8:26 coming up after the break. A look at your Thursday forecast. We'll be back in 2 minutes.
What? What'd you say? Can you say hi again for the camera? Hi. 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 Not today. Maybe another day. Hi. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Did you just wave? Wave again. Wave again. Say hi to everyone. Hi. 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 All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.